All right, gentlemen, each of you appear to have retained counsel. I'm going to go down the line of the attorneys. Mr. Massey, are you prepared to arraign your client?
I am, Your Honor. Do I form an arraignment by reading of the indictment or a plea of not guilty? And ask the court for a report.
And just for the purpose of the record, your client's name.
It's in the market.
And I see Mr. Stengel.
Good morning, Your Honor. Demetrius Haley is my client. He's present in the courtroom. Wait formal reading of the indictment, enter a not guilty plea, and ask for a second.
Mr. Perry.
Good morning, Your Honor. John Perry on behalf of Mr. Darius Bean. At this time, we waive formal reading of the indictment off the court. A plea of not guilty.
Mr. Summers, I see you back there.
Yes, Your Honor. On behalf of my client, Justin Smith, Charles Summers, we entered waive formal reading of the indictment and plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Mr. Ballin.
Morning, Judge. On behalf of Mr. Nichols, we recommend reading the indictment into a not guilty plea.
Gentlemen, each of your attorneys have entered pleas of not guilty on your behalf. Understand that despite everyone's best effort, this case may take some time. Your attorneys are going to be receiving the discovery. Depending on how voluminous the discovery is, it may take some time for the state to collect it all, turn it over to your attorneys. For your attorneys to review that discovery, to prepare their motions and prepare their case. So be patient. Work with your attorneys, cooperate with them, meet with them, go over the discovery. Make sure that if there are any delays, that these delays aren't on account of any of your actions. To those also in attendance, as I've explained to the defendants, this case can take some time. So we do ask for your patience, your continued patience, your continued civility in this case. We understand that there may be some high emotions in this case, but we ask that you continue to be patient with us. Everyone involved wants this case to be concluded as quickly as possible, but it's important for you all to understand that the state of Tennessee, as well as each one of these defendants, have an absolute right to a fair trial, and I will not allow any behavior that could jeopardize that right. So with that being said, we thank you all for being present. State, understanding that there may be some discovery that needs to be collected, we are going to continue this case out a little bit further to make sure that the discovery is concluded. We're going to reset this matter until May 1st, 9 a.m. State, is there anything else?
Your Honor, the only other thing on behalf of the state is I have a protective order as to each of the defendants to allow certain digital discovery video evidence to be provided.
Any objection by any of the counsel?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms. Massey, is there anything else on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor. We just filed our motion for discovery this morning.
All right, Mr. Ballin, anything on behalf of your client?
No.
Mr. Perry?
No, Your Honor, but we did file a motion for bill particulars pursuant to Rule 7C, Tennessee Rules of Criminal Procedure.
Mr. Stengel, anything on
Nothing
behalf?
further this morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Summers?
Nothing further on behalf of Mr. Smith. Your Honor.
All right, gentlemen, we'll see you back here May 1st on that day. And we will now excuse the defendants and their defense counsel. We're asking everyone else in the courtroom to remain in the courtroom, remain seated until you're excused.
And with regard to everybody else, I would let the court know that the family is here. For the dog show.
Yes, thank you. You all are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Alrighty, we are bringing you a live look from Shelby County Court this morning. You are watching the 5 former Memphis police officers, all charged with the murder of Tyre Nichols. They are exiting the courtroom as we speak this morning. The judge asking everyone to stay put as they exit that room. So what we know right now is that all of those officers plead not guilty to those charges. Their attorneys there representing them, reading off, listening and sharing the information that they need to get to their clients. We're of course going to be monitoring all of this case as well. And one thing I did want to reiterate is that we heard the judge ask for patience a number of times. He said that this case is going to take some time. He mentioned how the discovery could take a while, and he really knows that there are a lot of high emotions, and so asking for patience as well. We're going to